Discover the most useful kitchen gadgets you can buy on Amazon, from smart coffee grinders and peanut butter makers to space-saving dish racks and portable grills. Each gadget is designed to make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable, whether you're a home chef or just love clever tools that simplify your routine. Watch till the end to find out which gadget could completely transform your kitchen setup. The Baratza Sete 30 conical burr grinder brings cafe-quality precision straight to your kitchen, designed for anyone who takes their coffee seriously. With 30 grind settings and a digital timer accurate to a tenth of a second, it delivers consistent results whether you're brewing espresso, pour-over, or Chemex. Its award-winning design ensures high-speed performance and minimal waste, making it the perfect upgrade for coffee lovers who want full control over every grind. This peanut butter maker transforms ordinary nuts into creamy, flavorful spreads right at home. From peanuts and almonds to cashews and hazelnuts, it lets you create your own custom blends with sweeteners or spices like honey and cinnamon. Compact and easy to use, it's the perfect kitchen companion for anyone who loves fresh, homemade nut butter made exactly their way. The under-cabinet jar opener is the hidden helper every kitchen needs, designed to open even the toughest jars with just one hand. Its secure, non-slip grip and sturdy under-counter mount make it perfect for seniors, kids, or anyone with limited hand strength. Compact and space-saving, it keeps your counters clutter-free while giving you effortless access to every jar, every time. The grain and rice cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking with its smart built-in scale and water tank that automatically measure the perfect grain-to-water ratio every time. With 21 preset options and an easy touchscreen interface, it prepares everything from quinoa and oats to beans and barley with just a tap. Complete with a steamer basket and delayed cook feature, it's the all-in-one solution for effortless, healthy meals made on your schedule. The 50-ounce hydrogen water pitcher transforms ordinary water into hydrogen-rich hydration that supports energy, clarity, and overall wellness. Using advanced SPE-PEM technology, it delivers powerful antioxidant benefits, helping reduce fatigue, inflammation, and oxidative stress while promoting joint and cellular health. With a sleek design, digital touch controls, and self-cleaning function, it's a modern essential for anyone committed to living healthier, one sip at a time. The Smart Food Kitchen Scale does more than measure. It helps you understand your nutrition with precision. By syncing with the VSync app, Apple Health, or Fitbit, it tracks up to 19 nutrients and generates detailed nutrition reports to support your wellness goals. With a sleek stainless steel surface, ultra-accurate sensors, and a massive food database, it's the perfect tool for anyone serious about healthy eating and portion control. The 8-in-1 Milk Frother turns your kitchen into a mini cafe, letting you craft lattes, cappuccinos, and shakes with rich, creamy foam in seconds. Its patented impeller blade creates ultra-smooth microfoam that's 4 times thicker and lasts longer than standard froth, compatible with dairy and non-dairy milks, and featuring smart temperature control with an easy clean stainless design. It's the secret to cafe-quality drinks anytime you want. The portable tabletop electric grill brings powerful, smoke-free grilling to any space, indoors or outdoors. With a 1440-watt heating element and temperatures over 550 Fahrenheit, it sears steaks, veggies, and seafood to perfection without flare-ups. Crafted from marine-grade stainless steel with a non-stick dishwasher-safe grate, it's a durable, easy-to-clean grill that delivers family-sized flavor wherever you cook. The heavy-duty press and mash kitchen tool makes creating fluffy, restaurant-style mashed potatoes effortless and fast. With a dual-gear mechanism that delivers 65% more pressing power, it takes the strain out of mashing while producing perfectly smooth results every time. Built for versatility and easy cleanup, it also works beautifully with vegetables like cauliflower, carrots, or sweet potatoes, making it a true kitchen essential for home chefs. The portable range hood kitchen by Briti brings powerful air purification wherever you cook, no installation or ductwork required. Its triple-core filtration system and adjustable fan speeds efficiently remove smoke, grease, and odors, keeping your kitchen, RV, or indoor grill area fresh and clean. With quiet operation, built-in LED lighting, and easy-to-wash filters, it's the ultimate compact solution for clean, comfortable cooking anywhere. The electric hot dog roller delivers perfectly grilled hot dogs with ease, thanks to its 4 non-stick rollers that rotate continuously for even cooking. With dual temperature controls, you can switch from high-heat grilling to gentle warming in seconds. Its sleek stainless steel design, removable drip tray, and safe-to-touch cover make it a stylish, easy-to-clean, and reliable addition to any kitchen or game day setup. The over-the-sink dish drying rack is a space-saving kitchen essential that transforms your sink into a multi-purpose workstation. Crafted from durable stainless steel and food-grade silicone, It holds up to 33 pounds while resisting rust, heat, and water damage. Perfect for drying dishes, rinsing produce, or cooling bakeware, this roll-up rack keeps your counters clutter-free and your kitchen organized with effortless convenience.